Hi guys, myself Munelli Chandana. I am Munelli Chandana. This is about my website. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here today I am going to talk about website. In website, main pillars are HTML code and CSS to create website. My website topic is beauty cosmetics in website in index html in website. I'll talk about my html code. From starting I used English language in html code. This is document type document type is html. Head and I gave title as beauty cosmetics, and I am styling this by style1 css. And then we close head tag and we open body tag. Now we'll style this by using style css. Here comes style css. Body, font family, margin 0, padding, background color. Now I'll go to html code. After title, head tag, we'll go to header section. In header section we'll open header tag. H1 tag is beauty cosmetics. I used unordered in list tag I used home, products, about, contact, and then we'll close unordered list and close navbar, and close also we'll close header. To style this we'll go to style css. Here comes header section. In header section, header background, we'll give background image, linear gradient, and we'll color RGBA. Background size is cover. Background image position is center. Background color is pink. Background color white. Padding 20 px. Display flex, justify content, space between, align items as center. We'll see how the output. We'll see how a background color is. We'll go to index html, then we'll open live server. See, this is background beauty cosmetics, beauty cosmetics, home, product, color. Then we'll go back to html code. After header section we'll go to main. We'll close navbar here, unordered list, header section. Then we'll go to main section. When main section comes, in main section, intro id home. Intro id is equal to home. I class intro. Welcome to beauty cosmetics. H2 tag, enhance your natural beauty. Paragraph tag, we'll give paragraph tag. We'll open paragraph tag. Enhance your natural beauty, our range of cosmetic products. Here we'll close paragraph tag. Here we'll close paragraph tag. Then we'll open anchor tag. It is a link of products, class, button, and shop. Now we'll close anchor tag. To style this, we'll go to style css. Here comes style. After style css we'll open header, navbar, unordered list type is none, margin 0, padding 0, display flex, header, navbar, unordered list. We'll open flower bracket, margin 0, 15 px, unordered list, color white, font size. We'll come to home section. Background color, padding, text align center. Home intro 2, intro h2 heading tag, font size 40 px, margin bottom 15 px. Home intro about will size paragraph tag, font size 18 px, margin bottom 13 px. Home button, background color is pink color. Padding 10 px to 20 px. Border none. Font size, color, cursor is pointer. Home button hashtag button, hover, background color. This is all about home. In paragraph tag, home intro tag. We'll check the output. Same as we'll go to index, open live server. Here comes welcome paragraph tag, anchor tag, button also, and we'll again go back to tag code. Then comes product section. In product section we'll use section id products. Our head to tag is best sellers. Product list, the products available in our website are foundation. Here we'll add image, add image, src image screen image. We'll add image of foundation. It cost around 250. If you can add to your cart if you like our product. Then comes another product, it is lipstick. It cost around 150. We added image also. If you are impressed, you can add to cart. Then comes the third product, eyeshadow. It costs around 260 rupees. You can also add this. Then we'll close section. Then we'll close section tag. Then to style this, we'll go to style css. In style css, here comes product section, hashtag products, padding 60 px 20 px, text align center, background color, product h2, font size, margin bottom. Then the product lists are display flex, justify content center. The products are background color, padding, image, width, text align. Then comes product images, product width, border radius, product h3. Then comes product p tag, font size, color. Then may comes product button, background color, border, padding, cursor, pointer 16 px 1020 px, border none, color white, product button h hover, background color is pink. Then we'll check the output. Here comes our images, products and their cost. Then we'll go back to our code. Then here we will go to html code. After images, after product list, we'll go to about us section. In about us section, we'll use section id about. Head to tag is about us. About us, paragraph tag beauty. We'll open paragraph tag. Beauty cosmetics is dedicated to offering high equality, cruelty free beauty products. Our mission is to help you feel confident and beautiful. Here we'll close section tag and we'll style for section tag, contact section. Here we'll style for about section, about padding 60 px 20 px, background color is white, text align center. We'll go to heading to tag, font size 36 px, margin bottom 26 px. We'll style paragraph tag, font size 18 px, margin width 800 px, margin 0 auto. Then we'll check the output. Here comes about us heading tag, paragraph tag. Then we'll style code. Then we'll go to open html code and we'll style contact section. Contact section, hashtag contact, padding 60 px 20 px, background color, text align center, contact heading 2, font line 36 px, margin bottom 20 px, contact form max width 600 px, margin 0 auto, contact inputs, name, email, width, margin, padding, border, contact button, background color, padding, border, font size, cursor. We contact button, hover, contact background color. Then we'll style this. We'll check the output. Here comes contact us, your name, you can type your name, email, your message. If you have any queries, you can contact here. Then we'll again go to our code, go back to our code. Then last section but not least, footer section. In footer section we'll copy beauty cosmetics. All rights are reserved to beauty cosmetics. Then here comes, we'll close the body and html. Then we'll style footer section also. Footer section, footer background color text align center padding. This is all about my website by using html and css. Thank you. If you are impressed with my website, please do like and share it to your friends. Thank you.